In this video, I will be showing you Canva Business Card. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva home screen and I'll select the Business Card template category. There are so many great options here, so I'll scroll through the templates to find a design that fits my needs. I found a modern financial advisor layout that I like, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the editor loads, I'll start by clicking on the main name field. I'm going to replace Olivia Wilson with Clara Davidson and then slightly adjust the text box so it fits perfectly. Next, I'll click on the job title and change it from Financial Advisor to General Manager. Now, I want to personalize the logo area. I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for pickleball. I'll pick a fun graphic of a paddle and ball and click it to add it to my canvas. I'll drag it over to the right side and resize it to replace the original building icon. I'll also click on the company name below the graphic and change it to PickleGo. Let's work on the back of the card now. I'll scroll down to page 2 and I'm going to bring that same paddle graphic down here. I'll make it much larger and center it on the page to make it a focal point. To finish the look, I want to change the color scheme. I'll select one of the green accent shapes and open the color picker. I'm going to choose a bright yellow instead. I'll click Change All at the bottom of the panel to instantly update that color across every page of the design. Now I'll just do a final check of the front and back to make sure everything looks professional and cohesive. And just like that, your professional business card is ready to print.